AutoDiagram.com is a website that allows you to quickly create diagrams for any sort of workflow. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, I've already loaded up a prompt which says create a workflow showing how to conduct an AI audit on a business or I'm going to say on someone's personal life to find ways in which AI can make them more productive. Now, if I wanted to generate a detailed diagram, that would take up 2 credits, so I'm going to leave that off for now. But what I'll do now then in that case is I'll just generate a diagram. Okay, great. So now we've got this flowchart diagram. I'm going to zoom out of here. This looks pretty cool, I'll be honest. So the first thing, I'm just gonna get the right zoom. So the first thing it says is start the AI audit and then define the objectives. Right, so once the objectives have been defined, then you collect data, analyze that data. Okay, I think you can very easily sort of figure out what data you need to collect and analyze based off of your desired objectives, potentially some KPIs or OKRs or key metrics, right? Next, you can identify AI opportunities. Of course, you can ideate this process using a large language model, so that makes it a bit easier. Or ideally, you want to draw from your personal experience or combine the two, right?
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
And after that, once you've identified any AI opportunities, you can start developing some solutions. If you don't identify any opportunities, then you can reevaluate your objectives, and that just loops us right back here. And from there, what you can do is you can start implementing AI solutions, you can monitor performances, and then you can evaluate impact. So if there's minimal impact, then perhaps you want to go back to seeing how you can improve your performance. If there is particularly significant impact, then you can of course refine and scale. And what you could even do is you can even just copy this and paste it into a large language model and say just follow this workflow, and yeah, this is all the information I have readily available to give to you. We've also got different themes as well that we can customize. We can download this, copy it, we can edit it as well and actually change what we've got in here. So this is a cool sort of way to notate what we've got here. So I can change things here, like instead of data analysis, I could write something else and it changes in real time, as you can see. Then you can save your changes. So definitely check this out.
Oh, so sorry.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.